A rolling hitch is actually a clove hitch with a little extra turn to it. It gives it a little bit more security, and it's not easy to come loose like a clove hitch would. So if you look down here, you can see on my table, I've got my little hitching post that I'm going to use and my line that I'm going to use. I'm going to take the working end of my line, I'm going to put it over and basically just go ahead and create a clove hitch. Turn it over, do a little twist here and back over. Let's give myself a little bit more line on my working end because I'm going to need it. There we go, wrap it under, and then wrap it back under. Well, instead of just wrapping it under like normal, what I'm going to do is wrap it back under my line like so and create a double loop on this side. And then wrap it back under again. Now I'm going to take my first loop, or my second loop that I've created, and pull it through like so. As you see, I've got my double line here, and here's where my knot's tied at. And it's very strong and secure, and you can see that this line isn't even moving as I'm tightening. All the strength and tightness is coming here on this first loop. So let's do this one more time. Let's pull it back, straighten up my hitching post. We're going to go over with my working end, get a little bit more line on it here, and wrap it over, creating my initial clove hitch. Then back around once again, crossing over the second time, creating my two. Then back under. Give me a little loop here on slack on my second loop, and there we go, rolling hitch.